that kind of brings the event near to a close. I wondered, actually, Richard, did you want to say what we were going to do next?
Yeah, so firstly, thanks to everybody for your input. It's been really valuable. What we're going to do is we're going to take these findings back and analyse them, try and categorise them, group them together, and look for synergies and opportunities to do brokering or introduce people to each other, and also invite people to contact us if they've got ideas to initiate research projects within the EPSRC remit, but potentially outside of that as well. We can potentially make introductions to other people that have been connected to either of our networks that we're representing here today, or indeed across both networks. So that the real aim is that we initiate new and exciting research projects that bring together researchers that haven't traditionally worked together or previously known each other to develop new and interesting ideas in additive manufacturing and design for additive manufacturing, and obviously particularly in this case around deployed medical devices. So that's the aim. We will try to collate something and report back to both networks about the key findings that we've gathered from these last 2 days.
Yeah, excellent, thanks, Richard. Yep, so thanks, and also thank Alan and Patrick, and in particular Nancy, for the support in putting the event together and all the rest of it. We should also thank Chris and Helen and Joe and Ben for doing the marvellous work in the breakout rooms. That's been excellent. And apart from that, it's been really enjoyable 2 afternoons. We look forward to getting back to you all with the outcomes from this. But yes, in the meantime, actually, I will report one thing. One of the things about these remote events is that you don't get to have a conference dinner. But I can report actually that myself and Yari are going to meet up tomorrow evening, and we're going to have the conference dinner on your behalf. And you can all thank us for that at your leisure. So and that apart, so we'll look after that for you. Alan, did you want to say something?
Yeah, just I've got a couple of slides just as reminders, I think, for the DFEM
Cool.
side of things as well. You give me a second, I'll see how.
For sure.
Bring them up to share, but some of that hopefully actually Kenny will address the Lucky Conference dinner as well, and set us up for the next event. Actually, is it that one? Can you see that? Is that okay?
We can. Yep.
Yeah. Just on behalf, you've thanked a few people there, but I think on behalf of the DFEM network, it's a big thanks to you and to Richard for taking on the task of running this event, of bringing everyone together. So Wendy and her team as well, from the Rhine network, and bringing them together with the DFEM network to be able to deliver this today. And I echo your thoughts. Great support from Nancy. We'd be lost without her, and all the activity she does behind the scenes, putting everything together. It's very valued by us all. I think it was just a reminder to everybody about the poster competition. So Patrick highlighted this yesterday. It is our 2022 poster competition, following hot on the heels of the one we had around summertime 21. If you're interested, there's a URL there as well. Take a scan of that. Again, backing up what Patrick said yesterday, it's not just about the individuals and what students are doing on their own. We are, looking at and considering group project work as well, particularly relevant, for example, with things like MEng, group project teams and situations like that. And we've also talked about the potential, given the international exposure that the DFEM network's been getting, potentially an international prize as well. So if you're outside of the UK, and I know it's CPSRC funded, but certainly do come to us if you're interested in putting a submission in, and we'll look at how many we get, and therefore the viability of an international prize as well. They are cash prizes, so there's a carrot dangling there and an incentive for you to engage in it. You heard from Jonathan as well. Our 5th key research theme will be in person, and that's where I responded to Kenny. If those that travel to Manchester fancy it, there might be a meal and some beers or wine or whatever your favourite tipple is the night before. So if those that are interested want to come to Manchester on the Wednesday night, we'll maybe arrange something where we can get together for that. That event, as Jonathan said, be hosted at Manchester Metropolitan, led by Mark Beecroft, but Jonathan's heavily involved, and also with Richard Cooper from the KTN. Registration is not yet open, but do keep checking back to the DFEM website. There'll be a link there to the Eventbrite when it's ready for you to register for it. And more widely, if you're interested in what's going on, there is a LinkedIn page. There's a QR code there and a hyperlink, and also just to register on the DFEM website as well. We do have a directory of capability, so you can register yourself on that. Your expertise, your resources, your facilities that you've got that you might want to bring into the network. But other than that, thank you again. A great event. Some really interesting presentations this afternoon. Really enjoyable to watch them. Some of them I've seen bits before, but a fantastic and entertaining afternoon. Thank you all.
No, that's great. Cool. That's excellent. Thanks, Alan. Yeah, we'll all finish up there then. Yes. Don't get blown away, and have a lovely weekend, I think is what I'd say. Excellent. Thank you all very much. Cheers now.
Cheers, everybody. Lovely to see you all. Thanks, everyone.
Bye.
Cheers. Bye.